English speaking course. Good morning. Welcome to Sunshine Hotel. How can I help you today?
Good morning. We have a reservation for 3. The name is Johnson.
Let me check. Yes, I see your reservation here. Could I have your ID, please?
Sure, here it is.
Thank you. How many nights will you be staying?
We'll be staying for 5 nights.
Great. Would you like a room with a king-size bed and a sofa bed for your child?
Yes, that sounds perfect.
Do you have any special requests?
Could we have a room with a view of the beach?
Let me check. Yes, we have a room available with a beach view.
Fantastic. Thank you.
Here are your room keys. You are in room 305.
Thank you. Is breakfast included?
Yes. Breakfast is served from 7 to 10 a.m. in the dining area on the ground floor.
Great. And what time is checkout?
Checkout time is 12 p.m.
Can we get some information about nearby attractions?
Of course. We have brochures in the lobby. We also recommend visiting the beach and the local market.
Thank you so much for your help.
You're welcome. Enjoy your stay.
Can we ask for extra pillows and blankets?
Absolutely. I'll have them sent to your room right away.
Thanks. And do you have a gym in the hotel?
Yes. The gym is on the 2nd floor. It's open 24 hours.
That's good to know.
Is there a swimming pool?
Yes. The pool is on the rooftop. It's open from 6 a.m. to 10 p.m.
Perfect.
If you need anything else, please don't hesitate to call the front desk.
Will do. Thank you, Olivia.
Have a wonderful stay.
Good afternoon. This is the front desk. How may I help you?
Hi, Olivia. This is Mrs. Johnson from room 305. I'd like to order some room service, please.
Of course, Mrs. Johnson. What would you like to order?
We'd like to have 2 club sandwiches, a Caesar salad, a bowl of fruit, and 3 lemonades.
All right. Anything else?
That's all for the food.
Your order will be delivered to your room shortly. Is there anything else I can assist you with?
Yes, I have a few questions.
Of course. Please go ahead.
Is there a laundry service in the hotel?
Yes, we offer laundry service. You can find the laundry bag and form in your closet. Just fill it out and leave it for housekeeping.
Great. Thank you. Can you tell me more about the gym?
The gym is on the 2nd floor and is open 24 hours a day. It has various equipment for cardio and weight training.
Perfect. What about the swimming pool?
The pool is on the rooftop. It's open from 6 a.m. to 10 p.m. Towels are provided in the pool area.
That sounds lovely. Does the hotel have a bar?
Yes, we have a bar in the lobby. It's open from 5 p.m. to midnight. They offer a variety of cocktails and snacks.
Wonderful. One last thing. Do you have any spa services?
Yes, we do. The spa is located on the 4th floor and offers massages, facials, and other treatments.
Thank you so much for all the information, Olivia.
You're welcome, Mrs. Johnson. If you need anything else, please feel free to call.
I will. Have a good day.
You too. Good morning. How can I help you today?
Good morning. I'm staying in room 208. There's a problem with the water system in my room.
I'm sorry to hear that. Could you please tell me what the problem is?
The tap leaked the whole night. I couldn't sleep because of the noise.
I sincerely apologize for the inconvenience. I will call maintenance right away to get it fixed.
It needs to be fixed immediately, or I want to change rooms.
I understand. I'll make sure someone is there to fix it as soon as possible.
I'll be going out for a while. When I come back, I don't want to hear any sound of water in my room.
I assure you it will be taken care of.
Thank you. I hope this gets resolved quickly.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
You too. Goodbye.
Goodbye. Hello, this is Olivia from the front desk. We have a leaking tap in room 208. Can you send someone to fix it right away?
Sure, Olivia. I'll send someone up immediately.
Thank you. The guest is quite frustrated, so please make it quick.
Understood. We're on it.
Hello again. Is the tap fixed now?
Yes, ma'am. The maintenance team has fixed the issue. There should be no more leaking.
Good. Thank you for handling this quickly.
You're welcome. I hope you have a more comfortable stay now.
I will. Thanks again.
Have a nice day.
You too. Goodbye.
Good morning. This is the City Hotel. How can I help you?
Good morning. I have a reservation, but I need to cancel it.
I'm sorry to hear that. Is there any problem?
Nothing much. I have a different schedule on that day, so I can't come.
I understand. May I have your reservation number, please?
Yes. It is 12345.
Thank you. Can I have your name, please?
My name is Michael Johnson.
Thank you, Mr. Johnson. I see your reservation here.
Yes, that's correct.
I will cancel your reservation now. You will receive a confirmation email shortly.
Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Have a good day. Good morning, Sunshine Hotel. How can I help you?
Good morning. I would like to book a room, please.
Certainly. May I have your name, please?
My name is Sarah Brown.
Thank you, Ms. Brown. When would you like to stay?
From June 15th to June 20th.
Let me check availability. One moment, please. Yes, we have a room available. Would you like a single or double room?
A double room, please.
Great. Your reservation is from June 15th to June 20th in a double room. Is that correct?
Yes, that's correct.
May I have your contact number, please?
It is 555-1234.
Thank you. Your reservation is confirmed. You will receive an email shortly.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Have a great day.
Thank you. You too.
Good morning, Mr. Wilson. Are you ready to check out?
Yes, I am. Thank you.
May I have your room number, please?
It is room 305.
Thank you. I will check your bill now. One moment, please.
Sure. Take your time.
Your total is $500. How would you like to pay?
I will pay by credit card.
Great. Can I have your card, please?
Here it is.
Thank you, Mr. Wilson. Here's your receipt.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Before you go, may I ask for your feedback about your stay?
Of course. Overall, my stay was very pleasant.
That's wonderful to hear.
The room was clean and comfortable.
Thank you. Our housekeeping team will be happy to hear that.
The breakfast was delicious with many choices.
I'm glad you enjoyed it. The staff was always friendly and helpful.
We appreciate your kind words.
However, there was one thing I didn't like.
Oh, I'm sorry to hear that. What was it?
The Wi-Fi connection in my room was quite weak.
I apologize for the inconvenience.
I suggest the hotel improve the Wi-Fi signal in the rooms.
Thank you for your suggestion. We will work on it.
Overall, I had a great stay and will recommend this hotel to others.
Thank you very much, Mr. Wilson. We look forward to welcoming you again.
Thank you. Goodbye.
Goodbye. Have a safe journey. Don't forget to practice your English every day to improve your English level. Watch the video for 1 week. Try to think and speak in English every time. Listen and repeat the lesson out loud to improve your listening and speaking skills fast. Thanks for watching. Please give us a like, share, and comment. Click here for more useful videos.